Hello world, I'm Gigi. Hello world, how are you today? I'm good, I'm happy, and I'm grateful. Hello everyone! So, are you ready to play with me? This is my house, Gigi's house. Let's explore my house and learn what we call them. Let's start with the living room. What can you find in the living room? Something to sit on? Yes, a couch. How about an electronic device for watching broadcasts? That's right, it's a television. Okay, but what about something to brighten up the room? Do you see anything? That's right, a lamp. Okay, one more time. Something to sit on? A couch. What about an electronic device for watching broadcasts on? A television. And something to brighten up the room? A lamp. Good job. Let's shuffle the pictures. Can you find the pictures? Yes, this is carpet. Now it's your turn to find something else you know and then mention it. Bookcase. Flower vase. And a photo frame. The end! You found all the stuff in the living room. Now next, what other room? The place we cook. A kitchen. What can you find in the kitchen? Oh no! I forgot I was boiling water. Be careful when you're cooking. Do not leave the fire unattended. Don't forget to turn off the fire when you're done cooking. Be careful when cooking. Take 1 tea bag. Take 2 spoons sugar. The last, pour in the hot water. Slowly, slowly. Mix, mix, and mix. Let's mix, 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 and enjoy. There are 3 flavors you need to know. What is that? What is that? Sugar, a sweet-tasting carbohydrate that comes from sugarcane. It is used for baking, desserts, and even to balance out the flavors in cooking, even in savory foods. There are different types of sugar. There's white sugar, brown sugar, powdered sugar, and even natural sweeteners, just like honey or maple syrup. Salt. It's a mineral essential for enhancing flavors in food which taste salty. And it's also used for preservation and texture in cooking. Of course, there are also different types of salt. There is sea salt, table salt, kosher salt, Himalayan pink salt, and more. Pepper is a spice made from dried peppercorns, usually colored black, white, or green. It adds heat and depth to the dishes. The most common one that is used is called black pepper. It has a slightly sharp and spicy flavor with chilies. And now, let's move on to the other room. Brush your teeth round and round. Brush your teeth from left to right. Brush your teeth up and down. Brush your teeth in the morning and night. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. These are the things in the bathroom. Oh, but what happened here? The bathroom is empty. We have to fix this. We should put up everything that is missing. Let's take a look on what we need. Oh, a shower. I love taking a shower. It's the way how we can save water. What else? Oh yeah. We need a mirror so I can see myself when I dress up and a rack to organize your shampoo or perfume or soap needs. Another thing that's missing is the sink. We brush our teeth to have a healthy mouth and wash our hands and also to wash our face using soap in the sink. What else? A towel rack. We hang our towels in the towel rack to dry. One last thing. Oh, a toilet! It's the last thing we need. Well, you already know what we have to do in the toilet. Yay! We finally put everything that we needed here. So now, let's go ahead and repeat all of the words that you see in the pictures here. There is a shower, mirror and rack, a sink, towel rack, and lastly, a toilet. Hey friends, so now let's review again about everything that we have learned today. So let's play a game and see about the pictures and guess what they're called. So first, let's start with the room that we had explored, which is a living room. What do we see in the living room again? A couch, television, a lamp, bookcase, flower vase, and a photo frame. Okay, on to the next room where we have the kitchen. There are sugar, salt, and pepper. Well done! You all are doing so great at this. On to the last room, we have the bathroom. We have the shower, mirror rack, sink, and last but not least, towel rack and the toilet. It's time to say goodbye, bye, bye, bye. I hope you have a nice day. Bye, bye, bye. Thank you. See you next video.